Hi everyone, welcome back. It's changing seasons, we're into fall, and so it is time to make another trip to the Dollar Tree to see what kind of crafty things we can find. Okay, so I'm at the Dollar Tree, and in their craft section I have just found these super cute little clay fillers. Look at that, you've got like lemon, avocado, strawberries, those blueberries, mixed fruit, those blackberries, watermelon, apples. I think those are no, those aren't pomegranate. What are those? Dragon fruit? I think those are dragon fruit. How cool is that? How awesome are those for a little shaker card? Those are great. And look, you got these little ones that could be like cake decoration, birthday cake type things. You've got like Halloween themed. You've got ocean themed. You've got like birthday party funfetti cake themed. Those are great. But what I actually came for is this. So I am, as I've said before, a bit of a hoarder, and I actually had a light pad that I sold at a garage sale just a little bit ago, about a year ago actually, and my friend Courtney turned me on to this ultra thin portable light pad because she has been using it to do calligraphy. And I just saw a video of somebody doing some calligraphy with some watercolor and a watercolor paint pen, and I thought, you know what? I need to get one of these because now I need to try it out. And how great is that? Only $5 at the Dollar Tree. So can't beat that. You know, even if I end up selling it at a yard sale again, it's still a great deal. Remember my previous video with the foil pen and how I personalized the journal? Well, this is a really nice suede journal. Feels really nice to the touch. It's lined on the inside. $5 to personalize it yourself and make a nice little gift with that. Can't beat that. $5 for a personalized gift. If you don't want to go buy the whole like 10-pack on Amazon, this is a good solution. Okay, I am going to go ahead and get this brush set. It is nice because, you know, who doesn't need a bunch of brushes? And my son and his friend, when they use them, they never leave them in great condition. So having some cheap brushes around to use is fine. But what I'm actually getting it for are this palette knife set. You can always use those for like mixed media. These are great for mixed media. The sponge brushes and the palette knives to get out like the wax and to get out the gels and all of that stuff. So can't beat that. Okay, look at what else I just found at the Dollar Tree. These rub-on transfers. How great are these for fall themed cards? Really cool rub-on transfers. They also have them with pumpkins. And then they have some like gnome stickers. They've got lots of other things, but these are really nice. These would make a really pretty card. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, look at this. Harvest DIY pins. Well, it says pins, but it's actually with a clothespin. How cute would that be to stick on a little card? You know, you can even put a little magnet or something on the back of it, and then somebody has this as a card, and then they can take off the little, leaf from your card, and they could use it as a magnet. And they also have little pumpkins, lots of stuff, pies. But I like the leaf and the pumpkins. I'm gonna try those out. Okay, look at these cool chalkboard ornaments. Couldn't you just see this on a card? Whether you glue it directly on, or whether you use it as like an ornament where somebody can take it off. You can write your message on there. That's a cool idea. You got different color your own ornaments. Acorn. You know, if you've got a kid and you've got a teacher, like especially for little kids, this would be a cute little gift. Little apple. They go ahead and have that as a memory for your teacher. Look at these cute little sunflowers. How cute would those be on some of the latest kits? I know a lot of people just came out with a bunch of sunflower themed kits. You've got some bigger sunflowers and then these little itty bitty sunflowers. Very nice on a card. Look at these fall leaves. How cool would those be? Glued on, layered on. Could make a really cool card with those. Guys, they have so much stuff. I mean, I won't even show you the wall of all the holiday stuff, and these are obviously too big to be used on cards, but there's so much stuff here that can be repurposed. Like, look at all these ribbons. If you're looking for ribbons, they have upped their craft supply game, I'll tell you that. Really nice stuff. Look at these cool felt stickers. These would be so cool on a card, especially if you send Halloween cards. Then they've got these stickers too. And I don't know about you, but I don't have too much Halloween themed dies or stamps or anything like that, just because I don't make that many Halloween themed cards. But if you're only making a few, these would be a great addition to maybe supplies that you already have, and to just go ahead and add these on and turn a regular card into a Halloween themed card. Very cute. This is the first time I've noticed this at the Dollar Tree, and look at this paper pack. It's just a bunch of random textured papers. You can kind of see what some of them are in here. You've got your glitter, obviously, but then you've got kind of this red, I would say kind of spooky crinkled one. You've got some like handmade type papers back here. Got some nice kind of bronzed, I don't know what that is, maybe leaves or acorns or something on it. Just really nice, cool textured paper. I think this is a great solution, like if you are just starting out crafting and you don't have a ton of stuff and you don't necessarily want to get a ton of stuff, but you like to have different types of papers for maybe some die cuts or something like that. This would be a great solution. Ribbons, ribbons, ribbons. So many ribbons. Any type of ribbon you would want, they have got it. These would be really cute for a Halloween card. You could put some like colored water with glitter in there. Use it as like a treasure in like an ocean themed card, like a glass bottle with a message in it. You can even have like a message that the person pulls out of the bottle. How cool is that? Lots of different beads. These felt numbers, if you're doing a birthday card, that would be nice. They have really expanded their craft aisle. Look at all of this. So many craft suggestions. Look at the glitter glue. These are great for doing, you know, with like the stickles or the glossy accents. Like this glue is good for like a glossy accent. And it works very similarly. So if you wanted some inexpensive, you know, $1.25 for this bottle of glitter glue, how are you gonna go wrong with that? You really can't. Okay, I just saw these laser cut kind of wooden craft icons. Look at that, you've got a penguin and a whale. You've got some bugs, I don't know if that's a bee or a ladybug. And there's 6 pieces, so each of these has 2. So they're actually thinner than you'd think, but they're very substantial. And one of the things I'm really excited about is I found one. I'm excited, I found one with owls. And my son's school, their mascot is an owl. And so I'm going to go ahead and use these, whether I make them with a card or I'm thinking what I might do is kind of gussy them up a little bit and turn them into Christmas decorations, and then I can attach that to like a gift card or something like that. And so they had lots of different other animals. So if you're, I think is that an anteater or a bear? I don't know, I can't tell. You've got dolphins. So your kid might have their animal in here, and that would be pretty cool. They have got so many cool different stencils, and they've got stickers, and they've got these chalk board stickers. How cute would those be on a card, writing whatever you want? They had chalkboard pens over in the other part of the aisle, and I just found these rub-on transfers. I love these. I think I'm going to use these in a mixed media card. I can't wait to see what these end up looking like. They also have all these like jeweled borders that are sticky, these sticky embellishments. Like, these are really cool. These butterfly stickers are really pretty. I've seen those a lot more expensive in other places. They even got a bunch of stamps. So if you're just starting out on your stamping journey, not sure you want to invest a ton of money in it, they have you covered. Okay, these feathered die cuts could be pretty interesting on a card, or using it for like a mixed media transfer. I might get those. Okay, this I found in the travel aisle. This little sprayer. How great is that little sprayer for using with perfect pearls, or even just water to spray on for doing distress oxide inks. And you could actually have two different things because only one of them has the sprayer nozzle, but you could have like a mix of like perfect pearls in one and then just plain water in the other, and then just switch the nozzle back and forth. Okay, if you need storage for any of like your embellishments or anything like that, how great is the stacking organizing drawer? Clear so you can see everything you need. That's really nice. You get a bunch of them, everything you need. You could put all sorts of things in there. You could put your stamping blocks. You could put re-inking bottles, all sorts of stuff. Okay, you want a blending brush? I'm wondering how this would do as a blending brush. They also have this that could be used as a blending brush. How awesome is that? They also have these other ones. Okay, and these mask applicators, mask mat applicators, how great would these be for putting on paste for doing some stencils or anything else? I really like those. Other small little brushes you could use as blending brushes. Look at what I just found. This actually is a blending brush. These are actually sold as blending brushes. These are the exact things that we use, and they're here in the makeup aisle. So don't just stick to the craft aisle when you are looking for craft supplies, because you can find craft items in all sorts of places. And then of course, to organize all of your supplies, you've got all of these. And this is actually what I use for all of my papers. These are really, really handy to sort through. I like to keep several of these for like scrap papers, and that way I have them easily and they're separated, and when I'm using them I can just go and get them. These are great to hold little bottles of re-inkers or the little like distress oxide cubes. Lots of great storage options. Okay, so this is totally random. This is just a popcorn bag found in the kitchen aisle but how cute would this be for a card? Like if you were giving like a gift card for movies or something like that, how cute would this be to make a card out of? These are just plain popcorn bags. I don't know about you, but I think I found some great things on this trip. I can't wait to use them in some cards. And if you got anything on your own trip to the Dollar Tree, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see what you make. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time.